Today I'm going to be unboxing the TUMBLE BEE, and I'll tell you about it. It says it has crazy stunts, crazy action. Let's see. Wild flip 360 spins. Ready to run, all batteries included. USB charge, 2.4 GHz, 6 vehicles racing, age 6, like me, and that's all about. And now we are unboxing it. So first, we're gonna use this. Open it up. Yeah. Scissors, please. Rip this up open, okay. Tape. Oh, here. Tape this up still here. And my mom is getting the scissors or something to cut this in. Scissors. Got it. Cutting it. Yeah. Open it up like that. It's opened. And then let's get everything out. My dad will cut that. Looks amazing. This because batteries and sometimes it needs the charge. No. This needs batteries. And does this need batteries? Head spin it. This is all the other. The batteries are out. Let's get these open. Paper. Hi guys, we just unboxed the TUMBLE BEE, and I'm going to show you a little bit about it. So first, we're going to start off with the remote controller. It's first is the batteries. The string part is for the batteries. So then the flat surface is for the string, and you put it in like this. And then you close this like that, and then screwdriver. And do that, like that. And then with this, there's a charger. If it's out of charging, you use this, and then it'll be like doing something. It'll move, and then there's an on and off button. I'll put it on. And then let's test it out. Let's see. Over here. Let's go. I can't wait. I've been waiting for this moment 1 year ago. Ah! Like that. String is sticking out for no reason, but I don't care. show you how it on the net, how it jumped, flipped, and it spins. First, with the jump, it says, push both turtles forward and straight on the ram jump. Push both. Like this. See? And next, it is flip. Both turtles forward, then pull them backward for flipping action. Okay, after that, first, next, flip it back over. Next is spin left, or it could also do an opposite spin, like this. See? Like comes. You can also make it slow spin. And that's it. Of it. That's all. So guys, bye.